I ain't playing with you.
Hi guys, it's Mikayla and I'm back with another video. So today I decided to do like a little quick everyday makeup routine, something really quick and easy. Since it's quarantine, you know, everyone's not gonna be like getting up to do like a full glam, full beat just to not go anywhere. I mean, unless they're just doing it for fun. But yeah, I don't have time or makeup to waste for that. So I just decided to do like a little quick makeup routine, you know, something quick and easy, natural, nothing too extravagant, you know, simple lid color, and yeah. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of the video.
Can't tell me off, we spend it cause I feel me money. Independent gal, real number one trending gal. Now fi check when me spending gal. Have me one house.
So I'm gonna do my brows off camera, or at least I try to do my brows. I don't know, this whole quarantine my brows are like so hideous because I can't get them done properly. I normally get them threaded, but as you may know, all the salons and everything are closed, so this is what I'm working with. But remember, brows are not supposed to be twins. They're either sisters, or in my case, long lost cousins. So yeah, so I'm about to take this Morphe blending brush. What is this? The M505. And I'm gonna take the Juvias Place the Warriors, and I'm gonna use this brown right here. I'm gonna take my blending brush, tap off the excess, and then just work that into the crease and just slowly build it up. I'm not adding anything to my lids. I'm just gonna probably use this all over. How's everyone doing? I'm not doing great. My job, obviously I'm not working because this whole quarantine. I work at a casino and a restaurant, and yeah, so obviously the casinos are closed. So yeah, I don't have a job. Like, I've been out of work since like, my last day of work was like March 16th, and now it is like May, what, 12th? So yeah, in a couple of days, like, I'll be like 2 months out of work. Like, it's ridiculous. I mean, like, at the same time, like, I guess it's a rest or a little break, but then it's like, I don't know. I normally don't do anything. Like, I'm a homebody. So work was like my only fun time, if that makes sense. Like, I didn't like the work, but I love my coworkers. Like, every time when we're at work, it's just like a ball. Hey guys, sorry if this angle is weird. I'm trying to figure out like how to set up my tripod with like on my vanity, because like it's weird because my vanity mirror isn't hanging to the wall. It's on my actual vanity, so there's not like space like in front of my vanity for my tripod, because it'll be too close and I'll be like very far back in my room. So if you see me looking here, this is like my big vanity mirror, and like the camera's here and my monitor's here. So if you see me like looking here, here, and here, just know that like that's my little setup, okay? So yeah, I'm just putting the foundation all over my face. And as I said, since I'm not doing like a full beat, I'm not looking for like full coverage, you know? You know, just a little something. Hide these little blemishes. And I'm gonna take my Real Techniques sponge, make sure it's stamped, you know, and I'm just gonna go in and just start working this into my face. just blended everything into my skin, and now I'm gonna take my Tarte Shape Tape and highlight my face. Birthday is officially canceled, and I'm upset because this is the big 21. Like on June 13th, I'll be turning 21 years old, and you know, like 21 is like, I feel like that's like a huge mark, you know? You're like really, really legal. You can drink legally, you know? Although that never stopped me, like I still drink alcohol. But yeah, I was just like gonna be like really excited, you know? But I don't know. I can always like celebrate later, but like just knowing that like I can't like get turned going to like a club or like a bar or somewhere like on my actual 21st birthday is kind of sad. But I mean, you know, we want to make sure that the place is like safe enough for us to like fully reopen, you know? We don't want to like open up too quick and then boom, everyone gets coronavirus, 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 you know what I mean? So yeah, but I'm just a little bummed. So if anything, I might just like get a couple friends and like we'll get some bottles and I don't know, dance or something, I don't know. But I'm definitely still like gonna get glammed up for my birthday, definitely. And even if I just have to take pictures or something, you know. And yeah. What is it? Makeup Revolution banana powder. And just set my whole face basically, like the under eyes. Honestly guys, I don't know if I want to pursue makeup. Like I love it, but I don't know if I see myself like doing it like as a career. I don't know. Maybe I should just like keep practicing and working on other people just to see how it is. I know I definitely need to work on like blending, you know, and stuff. Alright guys, so I just did my eyeliner. And like, you know what I hate? I flinched and then like some went up on my eyelid. So I didn't use a makeup wipe. I honestly just went back into my palette and just kept building it up. I mean, you can kind of see it a little bit like right here, but I don't care. I don't have my toothbrush, like I said. This isn't like a full beat, you know what I mean? And now I'm about to take this Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara and apply my mascara. Hopefully I don't flinch. Mina. I'll put this in my inner corner just to give a little highlight. Boom, like that. Palette from BH Cosmetics, and I'm gonna use the middle highlighter and the dark one, and the dark one. I'm gonna take the Morphe lip gloss and the, what is this? Groupie. Cause I'm a groupie. No, I'm not. I'm really not. I'm not a groupie. No. And I'm just gonna apply this to my lips. Add a little bit of setting spray. This is the Urban Decay All Nighter. Okay guys, and we are finished, you know? I just washed my hair and I'm waiting for it to dry. Hey guys, so I finished the video. I hope you guys like it. Right now I'm about to get ready and go to the grocery store because that's the only place I can go. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this little video of me like talking a little bit and like do my makeup. I don't know if it was really like a tutorial. I don't know. Well, whatever. A little quick little natural makeup look for this little quarantine time because we're not beating our faces. Well, at least I'm not. So I hope you guys liked the video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Please leave down some comments in the comment section, some video ideas that you want to see me film, okay? Someone requested a makeup video, so this is what I did. But yeah, please like, comment, and subscribe. Turn on that bell so you get notified when I upload a new video. And remember guys, please stay safe, take all the necessary precautions. And yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.